지금부터 시작해봐 앞을 달려 Running running 너와 함께라면 모든 날 속에서 바라는 곳에 닿을 그날을
Hello everyone, good morning, how are you? My name is Adam Rozak Subari and I'm really glad to show you what we have built on our group Samhantech in these past challenging months. As a country with tropical climate, skin disease is still the most common health problem in Indonesia. By ranking third of the top 10 diseases suffered by outpatients in hospital throughout Indonesia, skin disease shouldn't be underestimated. This cause doesn't exclude the possibility from face skin trouble. The sufferer will feel very uncomfortable with the consequences such as itching, pain, or other things that can be worsen their appearance. Therefore, with early detection, these things can be avoided before the skin condition get worse. By doing detection through image, the application can recognize the anomalous face skin condition according to the input image. To tell you more about why we wanted to solve these cases, here is Bimo.
Many external factors cause skin diseases, but environmental cleanliness plays a major role in skin diseases. According to data from the World Health Organization, skin diseases attacks on more than 200 million people globally. Most of them are found in developing countries with high level of population density and poverty. Data from the Central Statistic Agency of the Republic of Indonesia in 2020 stated that there was an increase in the poor to 26.42 million from the previous year, which was 26.7. Early detection is one of the preventive measures so that the symptoms not getting worse. Using an application that will be user-friendly for various groups, users only need to collect picture of spot on their skin. Assisted by CNN-based classification, we can identify skin disease prediction from the various image files. The expected result is to help reduce the risk of skin disease, which will worsen if it is not detected. We are not the first team that makes a tool that helps you to keep in track of your skin. After doing so much research, we found a few references that we use to build our apps. We got Haikal to tell you more about.
We found studies which discuss skin disease detection. They said that skin is the largest organ that makes up the human body, which is located outermost and cover the entire body surface. It cannot be hidden and knows no age. Disorder of the skin often occur due to various factors, including climate, the environment in which they live, and lack of living healthy, and also allergies. Software-based skin condition identification techniques will be developed and useful for the future, especially in the medical field. The input for the software is an image of acne-prone skin. Then it will be investigated how to identify a person's skin condition through images based on color segmentation and texture analysis. We have found little research and predecessor that already met the same vision as ours. Apps that already exist like Skin Better and Thrive. There are some aspects that are similar to Kikuma's purpose, but we want to solve the skin health problems, especially acne in the medical field. Now, back to Abadi to tell you how we are making it.
We created an interactive application by paying attention to a straightforward and user-friendly user experience. The application is built using the Kotlin programming language, solid principles, and neat UI/UX design, layout setup using XML. It will also design responsive application in collaboration with the architecture of Google Cloud and artificial intelligence models. Our apps uses machine learning model that can detect a patient's skin disease using image classifications. Created using MobileNet v2 architecture and pre-trained weight, it was chosen because the lightweight MobileNet v2 architecture and relatively small model size. In this model training phase, we use image segmentation and image augmentation as pre-processing steps. The pre-processing knowledge in the future in the ImageNet dataset that will be applied when studying the new dataset. The model will optimal enough when we deploy it on the Google Compute Engine. And the result is an app that runs very light and intuitively. We call it Kikuma. And to tell you more about it, here is Nafisa.
Kikuma was made by implementing out best practices to solve acne problems into the Android application, which will certainly make it easier for users before consulting with skin experts. The main feature of this application is the detection of the user's face condition, especially those who have the acne problem. Through these Android applications, user can independently detect acne by only capturing an image from your phone, and Kikuma will tell you what your face skin condition is in the form of percentage level matching between the image and the existing model, and tips will be given to you. Furthermore, the application will lead to the detection result, which also contain handling tips and treatment if it's needed. We also provide the clinic recommendation. And aside from that, we provide some articles which will make this application more informative. And last but not least, users have to create an account first so that they can know the current activities such as the history of their skin conditions. To use this application, you just have to open the camera on this application, and then you can see your face here. And in this application, there are two cameras, which are front camera and back camera. Right now, I want to use the front camera. And here, I just have to click the capture button, and then after that, I can just click the process button. And then the result will show up. And that's quite easy, right? To build our amazing application, we have documentation, local deployment, and also business model. So here is Mumti to tell you about it.
To make a similar app like us, there are many steps to do. Those steps certainly make it easier and speed up the development process. In the coding process of the application, it can be done together by uploading the code to GitHub regularly so that the code will always be updated and team partners can see the changes added. Furthermore, you can visit our GitHub repository to see how can we make our current version apps. The implementation for the future work are we will collecting more data and making a telemedical chat with experts. We will also make a new feature such as the history of our user photo that recently detected. Lastly, user can take a photo of food, then our apps will decide whether the food is good to consume or not. We use Google Cloud Platform for deploying the model that will be using expenses because with this feature, our user can use it comfortably. So, we think that's all for our explanation about Kikuma. See you!
Breathe in 숨을 내쉬고 두려움에 맞설 때